If you can handle spicy food and do not mind the pleasure of burning your mouth, this recipe is for you. Add your vegetable oil and add your onions. Add your pepper. Add your green beans. Add your turmeric powder. And add your curry powder. Add your cabbage. Then add your cowskin. The Nigerian name of cowskin is Ponmo. Do not forget to boil or steam your cowskin before doing this. Then stir fry for 2 minutes. At this stage, turn off the heat and add your raw onions and cabbage. Our pepper pomo or cow skin is ready. So this is the easiest way to prepare your pepper pomo. So see you guys next time. Bye.